See this? Look what I got him doing.
What's that you said?
Smile. Ow! Ow!
Smile, Ty.
No, he definitely gonna do it.
He's not gonna fold.
He not gonna fold.
I don't think he's gonna fold, bro.
We gotta see his face on the way back, though.
He gonna start dying right here at this 30.
We gotta see his face on the way back.
But the thing is, it's too easy for him because he knows how to do them.
Word, you know all the tricks.
He likes doing towel pushes and all that shit. He gonna stand up. Wow.
Ty's running next to him.
I know he gonna stand up. If he turns, he's a beast.
If he just turns it, he got 200.
He did extra 5?
Oh, we gonna see his face. Woo! He's getting tired. He's getting tired. He's getting tired.
Come on, Joey, you little cannoli.
Let's go, Coach Gill! Let's go! Let's go!
Hey, you got like 80 yards left.
He's running circles already, Coach.
You got like 80 yards left.
Let's go!
We there, coach.
Come on, baby!
We there, coach.
Let's go, baby!
We there, coach.
Let's go, baby!
We there, coach.
Don't quit!
He got all that left.
Let's go, baby! 50 yards! Don't quit! Don't quit!
We there, coach. Oh, he might be. Oh, he did it. We almost there, coach. We almost there. Oh, we gotta get his face on when he get up.
15 once you hit there. You got 10. You got 10.
Oh,
You got 10.
Uh-oh!
we almost there, coach. We almost there, coach.
5 more yards.
Woo!
5, 3, 2.
Too good.